In today's video, we're going to be looking at our display or UI settings in Windows 10. By pressing the Windows key and the U key, you will bring up your user interface settings. These affect how you will interact with your device. If you need larger texts, you can drag the slider up to make your text larger and easier to read. Likewise with other things and applications. From here, you can also access your brightness settings and related settings too, not to mention all the other accessibility vision options you have on the side here. I hope this video has helped you. Thanks for watching. Visit kazzicom.com for more information on IT solutions, cloud support, Office 365 and many more services.